Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to share my passion for tidying with you. The KonMari Method is about surrounding yourself with what brings you joy. It's not just about decluttering, it's about creating a space where you can truly thrive. In this video, we'll explore 8 essential tips from the KonMari Method to guide you toward a more minimalist and joyful life. Let's begin our tidying journey together. Before we even touch our belongings, let's take a moment to envision our ideal lifestyle. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. What does it look like? How do you feel in this vision? This feeling of joy and contentment is what we want to cultivate through tidying. Visualizing your ideal life provides clarity and direction for your tidying journey. Hold on to this vision as we move forward. The KonMari Method trademark encourages tidying by category, not by location. We'll start with clothing, which is often the easiest category to tackle. Begin by gathering every piece of clothing you own from all parts of your home. Lay them out in one place so you can see the full extent of your wardrobe. Next, we'll move on to books. Collect all your books and place them together. This allows you to see how many you have and decide which ones truly spark joy. After books, we tackle papers. This includes everything from bills to old letters. Sort through them carefully, keeping only what is necessary. Then we address kimono, or miscellaneous items. These can range from kitchen utensils to hobby supplies. By grouping similar items together, you can better evaluate their usefulness and joy factor. Finally, we come to sentimental items. These are often the hardest to part with, so take your time and cherish the memories they hold. This approach allows us to assess our belongings in a more holistic and meaningful way. Instead of cleaning room by room, we'll tackle one category at a time, making the process less overwhelming and more effective. By focusing on categories, we can see the bigger picture and make more thoughtful decisions. Remember, we're on a journey to surround ourselves with joy. Each item you choose to keep should contribute to your happiness and well-being. As you declutter, envision the life you want to live and let go of anything that doesn't support that vision. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress along the way. This is the heart of the KonMari Method trademark. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? Pay attention to how your body responds. Do you feel a sense of lightness and happiness, or a feeling of heaviness? If it sparks joy, keep it. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. Trust your intuition and choose joy. Chapter 4. Express gratitude. Before discarding an item, take a moment to express gratitude. Thank the item for its service, even if it's something as simple as a worn-out pair of socks. Acknowledging the role each item has played in our lives allows us to let go with grace and appreciation. Gratitude fills our hearts with positive energy and prepares us for a joyful present and future. Chapter 5. Fold clothes properly. Proper folding is essential for maximizing space and visibility in our drawers. The KonMari Method trademark emphasizes folding clothes into neat rectangles that stand upright. This method not only saves space but also allows us to see all our clothing at a glance. Imagine opening your drawers to a beautifully organized and visually appealing array of clothing. Chapter 6. Similar to decluttering, we'll organize our belongings by category, not by room. Keep all items of the same category together regardless of their traditional storage location. This means storing all your clothing in one area, all your books in another, and so on. This approach creates a more streamlined and efficient system for finding and putting away our belongings. Chapter 7. Once you've organized your belongings by category, store them in a way that makes them easily accessible. Use clear storage containers, drawer dividers, and shelf risers to maximize visibility and minimize clutter. When everything has its designated place and is easy to see, it's easier to maintain tidiness and find what we need. Chapter 8. Congratulations! You've reached a significant milestone. You've completed your tidying festival, transforming your space into a haven of order and tranquility. Now, let's talk about maintaining this newfound sense of order. It's essential to keep up the good work and ensure your space remains a sanctuary. The key is to tidy a little bit every day. By dedicating just a few minutes daily, you can prevent clutter from accumulating and keep your home in pristine condition. Put things back in their designated places immediately after use. This simple habit can make a world of difference in maintaining order. Make tidying a mindful practice, a moment to connect with your belongings and appreciate your space. Take a deep breath and enjoy the process of caring for your home. Consider setting a weekly cleaning schedule to tackle bigger tasks. This way, you can manage your time effectively and ensure that every corner of your home gets the attention it deserves. Remember, tidying is not a chore but an act of self-care and a celebration of joy. Embrace the peace and happiness that comes with a well-maintained space. Share your tidy space with loved ones. Invite friends and family over to enjoy the serene environment you've created. Your efforts can inspire others to embrace tidiness too. Reflect on your journey and celebrate your achievements. Keeping a tidy home is an ongoing process, but with dedication and mindfulness, it becomes a rewarding and fulfilling part of your life. Outro. I hope these 8 tips inspire you to embark on your own minimalism journey using the KonMari Method trademark. Minimalism is not just about reducing the number of items you own, it's about making conscious choices that align with your values and bring you joy. By focusing on what truly matters, you can create a space that reflects your personality and supports your well-being. Imagine waking up every day in a home that feels serene and clutter-free, where every item has a purpose and brings you happiness. Remember, tidying is not just about having a clean house, it's about creating a life filled with joy, intention, and purpose. When you declutter your space, you also declutter your mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. A minimalist lifestyle can lead to improved mental clarity, reduced stress, and a greater sense of peace. It's about finding balance and harmony in your surroundings, which in turn can positively impact your relationships, productivity, and overall happiness. Embrace the transformative power of minimalism and experience the lightness and clarity it brings. By letting go of excess, you make room for new opportunities and experiences. Minimalism encourages you to be more mindful and intentional with your choices, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, where you learn to appreciate the beauty of simplicity and the freedom that comes with it. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration on minimalist living and organization. Your support helps me create more content that can inspire others to embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Together, we can build a community of like-minded individuals who value simplicity, intentionality, and joy. Thank you for joining me and happy tidying. Remember, the journey to minimalism is a personal one, and it's important to go at your own pace. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and enjoy the process of creating a space that truly reflects who you are. Happy tidying, and may your minimalist journey be filled with joy and fulfillment.